Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda Rebel 250. This is the quintessential starter bike, just 250 cc's, lightweight, low seat height. It's just like the one you used in your training class, but it's only $34.99. Come by, check it out. This bike's in perfect shape. Beautiful metallic black color, just 3,200 miles on this gorgeous little Rebel. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.